members of the All Progressives Congress in Obokun local government area of Osun State on Thursday staged a peaceful protest at the party's state secretariat in Osogbo, demanding the release of what they described as the authentic result of the State House of Assembly primary election for Obokun constituency. The protesters alleged that the outcome of the primary election was manipulated during collation and called on the Minister of Marine and Blue Economy, Adegboyega Oyetola, and the Osun APC chairman, Lawal Tajuddin, to intervene. Carrying placards and chanting solidarity songs, the protesters accused some party leaders of attempting to alter the results of the primary election, despite what they described as a clear victory for an aspirant, Oluwagbemiga David Falope, popularly known as Falo. Speaking during the protest, APC chairman in the LCDA covering Ward 6 to 10, Oyewole Oyebamiji, said Obokun's political arrangement has traditionally ensured balance between the two constituencies in the area.
What's a consensus? Gbenga Falope ló wà ní number 1. Ẹni ẹ̀gbà ẹ tún ní ká lọ primary. Wọ́n tún wá ṣe primary tán. Gbenga Falope ó tún wá ní ìbò 2,594 ní ìbò tó ní. Now ẹnì kejì tí wọ́n pè ní FASH ó ní 2020. Ẹ wá lọ lo ẹ wá ní ẹ fẹ́ lo ẹni tó ní 220 lé wa lórí kò possible. Why? Ìgbà tẹ́ ti mọ̀ pé ẹ fẹ́ mú yàn ẹ ti ní ẹnìkan ní interest. Kí ló dé tẹ́ a fi lọ fún primary? Àbámọ̀ tẹ̀ ta fọ́ọ̀mù fún wa. Táwa fi ẹ̀hónú wa hàn sí níbí ni pé kí àwọn leaders wa kan bá wa dá sí. Àwọn leaders wa lókè. All the leaders in the state, they should come to our aid and save us from Wode.
A party chieftain, Oketope Alibaba, also accused party leaders of marginalizing communities in constituency 2, especially Ilare, in the distribution of political offices since 1999.
Nínú nǹkan tá a dá bá nínú ẹgbẹ́ progressive ní láti 1999 àwọn méjèèjì wọn gbọ́dọ̀ sí ní ojú kan tí alága bá wà ní constituency 1 House of Assembly máa lọ sí 2 but láti 12 years sẹ́yìn báyìí ní ìlú Ìbòkun ti ń hold méjèèjì ìrẹ́jẹ òun ló ń tú ẹgbẹ́.
Another APC chieftain, Muyiwa Adewale, maintained that Falope emerged both as consensus candidate and winner of the direct primary election.
Nínú ẹni tó dẹ̀ tí wá léwájú nínú àwọn mẹ́ta tó wà wájú gbà ní Honorable Gbenga Falope Falo David. Nígbà tá a dẹ̀ tán jọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ní Iléṣà lọ́dọ̀ àwọn leaders Obokun Oríadé Federal Constituency. Consensus candidate wà ń bẹ̀ Honorable Gbenga Falope Falo. Nígbà tí àwọn alátakò báwọn tán tún jọ ń díje tó sọ pé àwọn ò gbà àtúndà sí pápá ìbò kò mẹ́sẹ̀ ó yọ pé òkè o ẹ jẹ́ ká lórí pápá. Nígbà tá a tún wá lórí pápá nígbà tá a dìbò tán ní wọ́ọ̀dù mẹ́wẹ̀ẹ̀wá ní ìjọba ìbílẹ̀ Obokun Honorable Gbenga Falope Falo wọ́n fi 574 votes lead gbogbo olùdíje tó kù.
Tosin Olasunkanmi reporting for City Mirror News, Osogbo, Osun State, Nigeria.